Since we were last here, a month ago, I want to know from you, and you can just drop it in the chat. What has changed in your career, your life? What have you been working on? What have you improved? Because I actually want these live chats, which will hopefully be at the end of every month, be like a milestone for you where you can pop in and say, this is what I learned. This is what I finished. This is a skill that I learned. Go out, go find your favorite books, find the best authors when it comes to plot, pacing, story. Research their work, read it, study it, dissect it. I recently talked to an actor who does the same with movies and directors, and especially like the old movies before CGI when they used it's like you call it camera play, just where you look, where you stand, the angle of your body. These are things that we as viewers don't see, but it makes a difference. So it's the same thing as an author. You need to see this as a profession. This is not just a hobby and you hope you're good at it. It takes years and years of practice and hard work and study. We don't go to acting school like they do. Not everyone can go to university to study writing, and I wouldn't even recommend it in the first place. Not everyone can afford expensive writing workshops and weekends and all that stuff. But there's so much source material that you can go to and just study. Why did the author choose these words, this sentence, this way of telling it? Dissect the page, the chapter, look at the pacing. Like, where does it pick up? How did it pick up? What technique did the author use in that exact scene? And see if you can figure it out, because that is where you're going to learn. That's where you're going to improve. And don't just fall into the pit of just dissecting and studying. Apply, like, write every single day. I'd say study 15 minutes, write 45 minutes, kind of thing. Look at something and do an exercise.